Assalamu alaikum class. Today we are going to solve exercise 10A question number 5 part A and B. Let's start. In question number 5, given that A or B is a straight line, find the value of unknown in each of the following figures. In this statement, A or B is a straight line. A or B is an angle or a part of angles. Okay, and we have to find the value of unknown angle in the following figure, just like this. In part A, we have this figure. In this figure, A or B is a straight line. There are two angles. One is 33 degree and other one is A degree. Okay, so we have to find the value of A degree. As we know very well, angle A and angle B is equal to 180 degree. We discussed this in previous lecture. Okay, so let's start solution. Simply, as we know that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, we can write it as just like this. Angle A is 80 degree plus angle B is 33 degree is equal to 180, because we know that adjoint angles or adjacent angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. Okay, according to our book. So next step, (180 minus 33). Here 33 is positive. When we shifted it to the right side, it will be negative. So 180 degree minus 33 degree, the answer is 147 degree. So we can say that A is equal to 147 degree. Okay, this is answer. Next, part B. In part B, we have this figure. In part B, we have three angles. The first one is 73 degree, second one is 42 degree, and third one is B degree. But these three angles, sum of these three angles is also equal to 180 degree. Okay, as we know that A or B lie on a straight line. So according to adjacent angles on straight line, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So we can write it as just like this: B degree plus 42 degree plus 73 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so when we shifted 42 and 73 degree to the right side, it will become negative. So we get this equation: B degree is equal to 180 minus 42 degree minus 73 degree. When we operation between minus 42 degree minus 73 degree, it will become minus 155 degree. That will become 115 degree. Okay, we can say that 115 degree, as 42 add 73, 115, and 73 is a greater value, so negative sign is present in answer. Okay, so in next step, when 180 degree when 115 degree subtracted from 180 degree, it will become 65 degree. So we can say that B is equal to the unknown value, that is B is equal to 65 degree. Okay, this is answer.